BrightBYTES.
Welcome back to BrightBYTES, champs! We make big ideas easy and fun here. Last time we met, we discussed Python. Today we're answering the 5 W's of variables and input. So, what are variables?
Think of variables like little boxes with labels. You can drop your name in one, your age in another, and your high score in a third. Whenever you need them, you just open the box and boom! The info is ready. That's how computers keep stuff in memory.
Let's look at an example.
A string holds text. Name equals Avi. An integer holds numbers. Score equals 42. A Boolean is true or false. Is on equals true.
Okay, but how do we ask the computer something?
That's where input comes in. You ask a question, save the answer, and then the computer can even talk back.
Why do we even need variables?
Because they let us stash info and use it later. Without variables, computers would basically forget everything the second you blink.
So, where do we actually use variables?
In games to save your score, in apps to remember your name, and in programs that track data. Basically, everywhere you need to keep something safe.
And when do we use variables?
Variables are used anytime we want to save some information, ask the user something, or make programs feel more interactive.
Who uses variables?
Pretty much everyone who codes uses variables. Students, developers, scientists, and now you.
So, champ, before we wrap up, tell us in the comments what you would store in your first variable. That's it for today. Next time, we'll unlock lists and lips in Python. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you're always ready for the next adventure. Bye-bye!